everyone. Today I'm creating a plum pear smoothie. So first of all we have the orange juice. The orange juice here. I put it first, about 3 cups, or 750 milliliters. Then you add the dates, which are here. Then you add the frozen banana, so this is the medium frozen banana. It's added here. Then you add approximately 1 handful of frozen strawberries, which are here. Frozen strawberries, 1 handful of these will come here. Then you add the pears. This is 1 large pear, deseeded and everything. You add this like that sliced, like this. Then you have the plums. This is 1 medium-sized plum, fresh, deseeded. This is a plum, so it's out like this. Then you have 1 red apple. It's already sliced and deseeded. You add it like this. Then you have 2 tablespoons of cheese. It's read these like this. Then you start to blend. And for about 2 minutes. Like this. That's it. So that's how you create a plum pear smoothie. So if you like this video, please subscribe.